Look at me. I didn't know I was going to be this old one day. Pathetically bald. Things have not gone very well in my life. I feel like I'm not running my life, but my life's running me. I don't know what to do. I look pathetic. It's depressing. Oh, hey! Listen, question. You remember that guy from the other video earlier? Yeah, the one that was kind of sad and depressed. The one that looked pretty pitiful. I mean, wouldn't anybody feel sorry for him? I mean, really think about it. He's the kind of guy that if you saw in Starbucks, you'd kind of go to the opposite side of the room, but you wouldn't sit in the chair next to him, right? Nobody wants to be around that. Nobody wants to hear that. But you have to feel sorry for him because, you know, he looked pretty pitiful. And I did. So I decided I'm going to try to help him. So the first thing I did is I looked at his poor bald head and I decided, let's get him some hair. So we got him some hair. Then I said, hey, let's look at what you got on. So I said, hey, we need to get you something better to wear. Let's look a little bit better than this. So we did, and he did. And then let's work on that attitude a little bit. So we did, and he did. And it was a transformation, honestly. And you know, should I tell you, believe it or not, that was me. That was me. Now I realize that I've got life full of promise, full of hope, full of happiness, and full of hair. Hair, hope, and happiness. How about that? Is it as simple as that? Well, sometimes it can be. I mean, after all, who would you want to hang around? That guy before or this guy right here? Woo! Yeah, baby, I know what you're gonna say. Come on, super hair pieces. Start handing out the hair. People are needing it. Get with it. Everybody, have a great day. Hair, happiness, hope. How much better could it be? Come on.